So in this tutorial, we're going to write a function that will return both roots using the quadratic formula. So here I've already defined the quadratic formula and our a, b, and c values. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to do return parenthesis negative b plus parenthesis b to the power of 2 minus 4 times a times c. Now we could put another parenthesis at the end of that, and we're going to do a space. And now we're going to put this to the power of 0.5 to replicate that square root. We can then do another space, and now we're going to do our denominator. So this is just going to be parenthesis 2 times a. Now for the second function, because it's plus minus, we could put a comma and just copy this first function. We're going to paste it, and then just swap out this plus for a minus. We can shift down, and we can run the function. And now you can see this has returned us both roots. Now I'm going to change the numbers and provide an example on screen. And that's how you can run the quadratic formula within Python.